Good morning, 2WR. Here is your online learning schedule for today. Today is Monday, February 8th. Today is day 4. So here we have our math focus lesson for today. And we're going to focus, on math in our small groups. Tomorrow we'll be focusing on writing. And then on Wednesday, we will be focusing on reading. Okay, so we'll have math, writing, and reading for our small groups this week. Remember, there's no school on Thursday and Friday. Here's our schedule. So like I said, no school on Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Morning meeting at 9 a.m., your small groups at 10, your one-on-one meetings start at 11 o'clock today, virtual playgrounds at 12:30. Today you have art at 2 o'clock, and then you have an optional Zoom there with Mr. Max. And remember, those are all links to your Zooms there. And I always do that too. We're not going to the Zoom right now, Mr. Regan. Try that again. Okay, so here are your seesaw activities for today. We have reading, you have math, and then we have science, and those are sent to your seesaws. Here is your reading activity today. So please watch the video with Mr. Graham. You're about using literary language, okay? And this is also going to be tied in closely to your poetry and to help with some of your poems, right? Become better poems as well. So you're going to notice when authors play with words and can try to understand their meaning, okay? Understand what the words mean, all right? And then there's an example poem there called Water, okay, for you to watch, and then you have your seesaw activity. Here for math, we're going to be adding 4 two-digit numbers, and you're going to be showing my thinking. The main strategy that we're focusing on here is decomposing. Remember, we're breaking apart the tens and the ones, then I can add all the tens together, and then I can add the rest of the ones. Remember that you are going to look for friends of 10. Okay, remember friends of 10. So if I take away 2, I have 8 fingers left, right? Remember friends of 10, we've talked about that. And that also ties in closely to friends of 100, because if I take away 20, then I have 80 left, right? So friends of 100 is also going to be very helpful when you add these numbers together, okay? Then you're gonna play a fun game with mom and dad about adding these 4 numbers quickly in your head, okay? So these are 4 small numbers, less than, it's up to 6, right? So you roll the dice, and then you can see who's gonna add them up faster. And you're gonna make a column, so yourself, mom or dad, and then you're gonna see who can add up the numbers quicker, okay? There's also a challenge in there with, against me and Miss Yuka. So see if you can say it faster than me or Miss Yuka in the lesson. All right, so your last activity is a science lesson. So if materials and substances are different, by observing their properties or by testing them. So today you get to do your first sticky test, and this will be really exciting. So you're going to be mixing things today, and then you're going to be performing a little sticky test. I do recommend that you start keeping track of these results or these things in a book creator journal type book of your science journal. And that way you can keep track of everything, because you're going to need to know what materials make the stickiest glue, okay? The best glue by the end of this unit. So we want to keep track of things. We'll talk about that in our morning meeting. All right, friends, we'll see you at 9 a.m. Bye-bye.